If you waste your 20s, you'll spend your 40s trying to fix it. But if you use your 20s correctly, money starts working for you instead of you chasing it forever. Your 20s are not about looking rich. They're about becoming financially dangerous. This is the only decade where you can take risks, recover fast, and turn small, smart decisions into life-changing results. Most people misunderstand wealth. Wealth is not your salary. It's not your car. It's not your lifestyle. Wealth is assets that pay you back. If income stopped tomorrow, how long would you survive? That's the real scoreboard. The foundation is simple and boring. Budgeting, saving, controlling lifestyle inflation. Every dollar needs an assignment before it leaves your account. Start investing early, even small amounts, because time is your unfair advantage. Compound interest is quiet, but it's powerful. Start at 22. And your money works for nearly a decade longer than someone who waits. Saving alone isn't enough. Your income is your growth engine. In your 20s, prioritize skills over comfort. Learn skills that increase leverage. Sales, communication, marketing, technology, investing knowledge. Don't chase titles. Chase value. Increase income. Invest the difference. Repeat. Now avoid the traps. Lifestyle inflation, bad debt, ego spending. A raise doesn't mean an upgrade. Approval doesn't mean permission. Wealth grows quietly. Debt grows loudly. Invest simply. You don't need genius-level predictions. You need consistency, long-term thinking, emotional discipline, patience. Markets reward those who stay calm and build ownership early. Start something, a side business, a project, a platform, a skill-based service. Even small ownership changes your mindset. A job pays you once. Ownership can pay you repeatedly. Remember this, in your 20s, you may not have the most money, but you have the most time. Time to compound money, time to compound skills, time to compound reputation. You can spend this decade consuming or building. Impress people now or shock them later. The choice feels small daily, but the outcome is massive. If you're serious about building wealth early, start now. Stay consistent.